WCBI First Alert AccuWeather Forecast with Chief Meteorologist Keith Gibson.
Temperatures in the mid to upper 70s right now. We have scattered showers and storms. We can see it with our Alpha Insurance camera network in Columbus, Tupelo, at Durham's Pharmacy in Vernon. We had some morning rain, and now we are watching that shelf cloud southwest of Louisville, Mississippi. Look at that. It's coming on into Winston County. Let's have another look at radar here this afternoon. There you go. A severe thunderstorm warning continues for these areas in Louisville, also for parts of Noxubee County. Heads up for you in Louisville by 6:39 at the latest, it would appear. Initially, there will be an ominous-looking shelf cloud that will move on through, and then the winds will pick on up, and then we'll see the heavy downpours. Already the downpours in Noxapater and also down to the southwest in Philadelphia, but this is moving off to the northeast quickly at about 30 miles per hour. And again, that severe thunderstorm warning goes until 7:30 for a good chunk of Winston County and Noxubee County. That goes just to the west of Brooksville, and it does include Macon. So that is the strongest activity we have in our viewing area right now. Let's come back and show you where we have another severe thunderstorm warning until 6:45 for areas west of Eupora. A couple of storm cells here from Winona to Kilmichael. Some of these are not technically warned, but maybe some small hail, pea-sized hail, with some of that also with this storm cell just to the northeast of Eupora. So any one of these storm cells could contain a little bit of hail. We also have some gusty storms, maybe a little bit of small hail just west of Houston, west of the trace there near Vardaman in eastern Calhoun County. And speaking of hail, let me just go ahead and show you the hail swath. Over the last hour, we've had pockets of hail likely being detected here. A bigger batch with that first wave coming on in from Neshoba County into southern parts of Winston, and a couple of other storm cells also kicking up some likely small hail, maybe up to the size of quarters, in addition to some gusty wind as this activity comes on in from the southwest. So that's the current situation. All of this is swirling around an area of low pressure. We will have several more complexes of rain and storms around here. So Futurecast picking up on our activity this evening. A lot of that will wane, and then we'll flare more activity back up during the day tomorrow. Another hot and humid day, temperatures in the low to mid 80s here, and that will fuel more showers and storms. We'll likely have a few more storms here Friday, so a bit unsettled for the next 2 days. Any one of these storms could be locally strong to severe with hail and gusty wind during the daylight hours. But there's your weekend. Look at that. Highs in the 80s, more comfortable lows in the upper 50s. We are dry, we are sunny, and then we warm things up by the middle of next week.